Guppies Spotlight.
Ginga Rubra Guppies are a unique-looking, colourful, active and hardy species, making them excellent fish for the beginner aquarist as well as a novelty for advanced aquarists. These guppies are very peaceful and make excellent members of a community aquarium. However, you must ensure that you do not keep these fish with much larger or more boisterous fish that may see them as a snack. Ginga Rubras do not have any special requirements when it comes to water parameters and can be housed in any aquarium. However, they seem to thrive and look far more natural in a well-planted aquarium. Ginga Rubra Guppies have blonde bodies that display reddish-pink bar-like blotches on them. In addition, their dorsal and caudal fins possess a snake-like pattern on them, although this patterning and colour are only present in males. Most males are short-tailed, however, there are also some individuals that have a bottom sword or a double sword tail. Like all guppies, the Ginga Rubras are prolific breeders, giving birth to live young every 23 to 28 days. Ideally, you should keep at least 2 females to every male amongst dense planting, and the fish will do the rest. The male will transfer his meal into the female via his gonopodium, where it is then saved and used to fertilise her eggs. Just before the live young are released, the female will show a dark black gravid spot near her vent. Ginga Rubras can give birth to anything from 1 to 30 babies with each drop, and sometimes a lot more depending on the female's age and size. The fry will primarily spend their first few hours of life at the bottom of the tank, where they will consume their yolk sacs. At this moment, they are most vulnerable to predators, including their mothers and other guppy females. The males seem less interested in cannibalism. Once the fry have consumed their entire yolk sac, you can feed them with baby brine shrimp, powdered fry food and crushed flake food. They will also snack on algae and microorganisms that develop on aquatic plants or aquarium decor. The males will start to exhibit adult coloration around 3 to 4 weeks later. Still, it can take several months before developing the full extent and abundance of colour that characterises these guppies. It is simple to differentiate between male and female Ginga Rubras once they reach sexual maturity, which is usually around 2 to 5 months. Males are usually more intensely coloured and have obvious patterning compared to the females. Males will also have a modified anal fin that is narrower and longer than the females. In contrast, females are larger and are usually a duller colour than males and have a gravid spot just behind the anal fin, which will get noticeably darker when pregnant. Ginga Rubra Guppies have no natural habitat as they were developed by the Japanese breeder Kenjiro Tanaka. However, guppies are usually found within clean-flowing warm tropical waters in South America, so ideally you should replicate these conditions in your aquarium to provide them with the most natural environment possible. Guppies feed on small insects, algae and plant matter in the wild. Therefore, it would be better if you followed this as much as possible in the home aquarium. You can accomplish this by feeding your Ginga Rubras high-quality dried foods such as flakes and granules alongside live and frozen foods such as Daphnia bloodworm and brine shrimp. These fish will also appreciate some vegetable supplements such as shelled peas or blanched spinach.
Bloopers.
It is simple to differentiate between male and female Ginga Rubras once they reach sexual maturity, which is usually around 2 to 5 months.